Excel has been hiding these 5 features from you, and once you see them, you will never go back. These aren't your everyday Excel tips. These are 5 buried settings and tricks that will generally make you faster, more organized, and honestly make Excel way more enjoyable. Let's get into it. Trick 1: change Excel's theme. First one: how many years have you stared at the same white Excel screen, same gray ribbon, same blinding background? You don't have to. Go to File, then Account. Now you'll see Office theme. By default, it's set to System setting. You can change it to black, close it out, and look at that. Same Excel, completely different feel. A dark mode, clean ribbon, easy on the eyes, takes hardly 10 seconds, lasts forever. Try them all and pick what works for you. Your eyes will thank you by 3 p.m. Trick 2: bookmarks inside Excel. Trick number 2, and this one is clever. If you have a workbook with multiple sheets and you want to jump between specific locations fast, you normally see hyperlinks. But there's a smarter way: named ranges as bookmarks. So click on any cell. So I'm going to click on the name Alice Morgan in our sales sheet. So I'm going to click on Alice Morgan, and right there in the small name box, I'm going to name it Alice. Now let's move to another sheet. So I'm going to move to the HR sheet. Again, here's Alice Morgan. So I'm going to now name it Alice 1. Now remember, whenever you name cells, there should be no spaces between them, otherwise it wouldn't work. So Alice 1. So now the locations of both the bookmarks are saved. Now let's click the name box. And when I type Alice, Excel teleports you there instantly. When I type Alice 1, boom, different sheet, different cell, 0 clicks. No VBA, no hyperlinks, just name ranges such as bookmarks. Simple, fast, and it works across sheets. Trick 3: skip the backstage view when opening files. Now, every time you press Ctrl O to open a file, Excel throws you into this full backstage view, recent files, OneDrive, browse button, buried at the bottom. It's slow. So I'm going to show you something different. Go to File, Options, then Save. Now search for the option that says Don't show the backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. Check it and hit OK. Now when I press Ctrl O again, File Explorer opens directly. No backstage, no extra clicks, just straight to your files. One setting saves you a click every single time. Trick 4: change your grid line color. The grid lines, you've looked at the same gray grid your entire Excel life. Most people don't even know you can change the color. So go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll down to Display Options for this worksheet. Not workbook, remember, worksheet. You will see grid line color, click it. Now pick any color, a soft blue, warm gray. I'm going to choose something reddish. Whatever makes your workspace feel cleaner, hit OK. And just like that, your spreadsheet looks custom. It's a tiny change that makes a surprisingly big difference, especially if you're staring at data all day. Pro tip: you can also uncheck Show Grid Lines entirely. So in order to do that, it's very simple. You'll go to the View ribbon. Now once you go to the View ribbon, you will see the option of Grid Lines. Now just untick that. It gives you full control over how your sheet looks. Trick 5: shortcut to Options. Now, this is a bonus trick. How do you open Excel Options? You'd go to File, then Options. That's 2 clicks every time, right? So I'm going to show you a shortcut. Just press Alt, F, T. Press them one after the other, not together. Alt, then F, then T. So Excel Options opens instantly. No mouse, no menu hunting. You can also add it to your quick access toolbar through more commands, but honestly, Alt, F, T is so fast, you'll never need to. So to recap, dark mode under count, name ranges as bookmarks, skip backstage with one setting, custom grid lines, and Alt FT. 5 features all hidden in plain sight. Conditions change, tools evolve, but the people who stay ahead are the ones who never stop learning. Keep going. If this was useful, subscribe. I drop practical Excel tips regularly. See you in the next one.